house are you at?
The sharks.
And what's your name?
Dada.
And what's your brother's name?
Jackson.
What is it?
Jackson.
Michael Jackson?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'll get my water.
Okay, you're gonna get your water. Can you say hey to Granddaddy? Okay, can you say hey Granddaddy? No, slow down. Say hey Granddaddy. Can you say hey Gloria? Say hey Brittany. Oh, you're being silly now. What are you doing? Nothing?
Yes.
Well, what'd you just do?
Mucking.
You gonna drink your drink?
Yes.
Did you just take a bath?
Yes.
What'd you do in the bath?
My toys.
Play with your toys? What toys?
Toys. Mine.
What toys?
Mine.
What animal was it? Can you tell Granddaddy?
A lion.
No.
Ooh.
What did we play with in the bathtub?
A whale.
A whale. Yeah, that's right. Good job. Okay, can you tell Granddaddy? Oh, say excuse me. Say excuse me.
They do me.
Okay, can you say I love you, Granddaddy?
I love you today.
I love you, Gloria.
I love you.
I love you, Brittany.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Blow him a kiss. Blow him a kiss. Go like this. Blow him a kiss. Bye.
Bye.